Exercising with one's own body weight is becoming increasingly popular in the field of fitness owing to the fact that it is convenient and easy to perform. By utilizing just your own body weight, they make it possible for you to become in shape. Among the exercises that are always in vogue, planks are one of the most popular. Those individuals who have hectic schedules and find it difficult to make it to the gym owing to time restrictions will find this workout to be an ideal solution. It is possible to strengthen your entire core by performing a plank exercise for 1 minute every day. In point of fact, a great number of fitness professionals consider planking to be one of the most efficient workouts for tightening your abdominal muscles. If you compare them to crunches, they are even more effective. So now let's get started. Number 1. It is beneficial to your overall metabolism. Planks are a type of exercise known as a compound exercise, which means that they work many muscles. Therefore, what exactly does this imply, you ask? What this means is that you will be able to burn a great deal more calories in the same amount of time that you would need to spend performing other abdominal workouts, such as crunches or sit-ups. An additional benefit of increasing your muscle mass is that it causes you to burn more calories. Your metabolism will speed up in proportion to the number of muscles you have, therefore this is why. Number 2. It is beneficial to your mental health. Did you aware that workouts that include holding a plank position have a certain effect on our nerves? As a consequence of this, they function as an incredible way for enhancing the general disposition of an individual. In the first place, planking is a great way to stretch out the muscle groups that are responsible for stress and tension in the body. By sitting or standing for an extended period of time during the day, your muscles get contracted and tension builds up in your shoulders, causing you to slouch forward throughout the whole day. As a result of situations like these, the muscles and nerves get stressed. You may relieve feelings of anxiety and even depression by doing planks, which allows you to quiet your brain at the same time. Number 3. The risk of damage to the back and spinal column is greatly reduced as a result. During physical activity, there is also the possibility of sustaining injuries to the back and spine. By performing planking exercises in the proper manner, you will be able to develop your back muscles without having to exert an excessive amount of strain on your hips and spine. As a consequence of this, it helps alleviate back discomfort while also assisting you in maintaining excellent posture while sitting and walking. Number 4. It defines your abs. Planks work every major muscle in the abdominal region. When we say major core muscles, we are referring to everyone's abdominals and obliques. In addition, as you improve and become more powerful at planks, you will also get more powerful when it comes to executing other exercises. In the event that you go to the gym on a regular basis, for instance, you will observe a significant gain in your strength in a number of compound exercises, such as squats and deadlifts. Additionally, there is good news for women as well, since planking is extremely beneficial for enhancing gains in your booty. Number 5. It is beneficial to your overall balance. Having attempted to stand on one leg, have you found that you are unable to maintain a straight posture for more than a few seconds? If you fell even while you were entirely sober and felt well, it is because your abdominal muscles were not strong enough to keep you from falling. This is because you were needing to maintain your equilibrium. Your overall balance will improve if you plank for 1 minute out of every day. It will, in the end, improve your performance in whatever sports activity you participate in. Have you found this video helpful? Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you may watch further helpful videos that are similar to this one. Our goal is to ensure that you are healthy, so thank you for watching.